headers. Oh, here, let's push it. I said I wouldn't do it, but I'm doing it. I got the exhaust, and then out of nowhere, I'm just like, it's not loud enough. And also, I want more power.
You're good.
We gotta move some of that stuff. But it's right over here. One second. Good. Fit everything in here. The headers are small. I opened it, but I'm a fake it. Oh, hey guys, we're gonna open it. What? Holy shit!
Those are small. What the?
Yeah. Soul Performance. So I have a full Soul Performance exhaust, and I'm not gonna tell you how much that full exhaust cost me, but probably more than what you're fucking driving. Your Honda Civic.
Okay.
More than it's worth more than your damn Honda Civic. Oh my god. I'm doing it in Fernando's garage. Just cool little lights. It has AC. So we're I've been driving this thing, so it's gotta cool down the headers, but I'm gonna jack it up, I'm gonna take off the wheels, and probably just take a bunch of shit off. That's it. It should be a lot easier than the catback, because it's like not as many like moving parts. But we got it.
A lot easier. 3 hours
Yeah,
later.
Yeah, clip that. A lot easier next. I'm like shirtless, all muddy and sweaty. This is nothing like your Honda Civic. Right here is where the catback meets the header. You got the fat cat right there. You got the 202 sensors, and on the bottom area, it's gonna be like. It's gonna be a few hex torque bolts, and then it's out. It should be a lot easier than the exhaust, the catback part. Easy? Cut! This is not fun. But, oh, no, okay, wait, hold up. I'm doing perfectly fine. Everything's going smooth. But, this is how close I am to the engine. Why don't you have a lift? Huh, Fernando? Cameraman? Why don't you have a lift? that's all. All right, here you go. All right. You forgot to press record. We got the header out. This is the right, yeah. I think this is the right side. So this is technically competition headers with long tube headers. Dude, you see how like it goes, and it's running very clean and nice in there. But holy shit. I don't know what to say after this, because one thing my tuner said, I have to put this there and this there. So I'm literally swapping, and that helps with my
check engine light,
O2 sensor, like shit like that. This is the pain I go through off camera. The worst parts are not recorded because we want to get it done. Ah! Oh, I need to twist this O2 sensor off. Okay, I need a... Go! Oh, stuck. Okay, alright. I think, listen. I think this would be the last clip of me under the car, and next clip is just straight up me starting it. I'm wiping it down with WD-40 because it's caked up with all this gasket maker. Hey, next clip. Done. Everything. Oh, that's your flashlight. I mean, okay. No, none of the wheels are on. Nothing's on. But the header's exhaust is all tightened up. Everything's in. Everything's tight, hopefully. So I'm just gonna start it up, listen. Like, I haven't heard this before, so it's gonna sound awesome. And check for leaks, at least. I don't really, like, I doubt there's gonna be leaks, but might as well do it. So I have to take the wheels off if there's another leak. But I'm gonna get in here. A lot deeper. That guy always said, listen, you gotta hear it in person. It's so cool how it's quiet and idle, but dude, it sounds like it has the leaks already. Dude, this sounds nasty. This is wow. Wow.
Fucking amazing.
Gotta turn. Alright, so we're about 10 minutes out to Mecum, which is an auction. Is that clutch?
It's clutch.
No, it's not. How do you smell clutch when we're driving? Nah. Okay, well, we're going to Mecum. Oh, fuck. I want to get the sound in here. The headers are on. Just drove 3 hours, and we're going to Mecum. 10 minutes away now. And if you don't know what Mecum is, it's an auction. It's like one of the biggest auctions in like the U.S. where they sell pretty much anything you could ever think of for top dollar. Get that shit. And then, yeah, so hopefully I see some cool cars.
This is the first year.
We got a Volkswagen Beetle starting at, let's see.
Anybody get 20 and 20,000 on a bid. Anybody get 20 bid. Anybody get 20. Anybody get 10,000 bid. $12,000 bid. $15,000. 13, 14, 14,000, 15,000, $16,000. At 16,000, reserve is off. 17,000. I have 16. Anybody get 17. Anybody get 17. Reserve is off. At 18,000. Anybody get 18. Anybody get 18. Anybody get 19. Anybody get 19. At 19,000. Anybody get 20,000. Anybody get 20 bid. Anybody get 1. At 20 bid. Anybody get 21,000. Anybody get 1 bid. Anybody get 20 bid. 1. I have $20,000 bid. Anybody get 21,000. Anybody get 20 bid. 21. So $20,000. Big and loud.
So this is the staging lane of all the cars that are going on the stage. And I mean, these prices are honestly not that bad for an auction. This might be going through soon. Well, it's one of the next few. And that's the stage that we were just sitting at. All right, so shit like this goes for like hundreds of thousands of dollars. Look at this. Oh my God. Ford GT is coming on through. Dude, I can't imagine how much that's gonna go for.
These brand new go for, I want to say, 9K.
9K? Well, we're gonna have to find out.
Yeah.
We got a ZL1.
Right here.
Viper. We saw that before. The Grand Sport, automatic. This is pretty sick. This has the I think it has an LS.
Is that legal?
Yeah. Well, this is crazy. This is crazy.
What do you smell it?
That's fresh. The Grand Sport. Clean Z06. Even Rolls Royces. But we like checking this out. Huh?
It's already out.
Damn. This sold for about $27,000 and it's a 4S. Big wing, nice wheels. I mean, I'd pay that. The thing about the 4S is I like how the taillights connect. Oh my God! Demon. God damn. And these are, like, everything is going for a decent price. I haven't checked the market value of, like, most cars, but from what I would pay, it's not a bad price for any of these cars. Look at this. Oh my God. Manual. I would take this any day. It's for sure the highlight of the auction. Look at this. 2005 Ford GT red with a stripe. Where are we going? We're going at 450? 450 so far. Reserves off. 475. Oh, Yo, who the hell? All right. 465. 460.
460, yes or no? Not going to about 460, not half.
460.
Sold 450, sold
$450,000. Wow. I never wrap up these videos correctly, but I forgot to mention that there's a clear engine bay cover I put on, and they hooked it up pretty good. It's on Instagram, Detail Works 987, and oh my god, it's so dirty in there now. But clean the engine bay, put the clear engine bay cover on, 4 different bolts, and it looks pretty badass. And you hear the intake noises and everything with the valves. Okay, and then right now the car is naked. I put the headers on. I'm making more sound clips. I'm putting this together the whole video all together kind of weird, but I'm making it make sense. But right now, I'm probably planning on making a livery for this. I'm thinking of some type of police livery, but not American police, Norwegian police, or German police. Livery with checkerboards, says different language police. In the back, police. No, it just, a livery that flows. Wednesday, I'm getting it measured up, talking to them a little bit more about the livery, and hopefully that would be the next video.